Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos plus so much more. And today's video is another episode in my creating a bullet journal series. So today is actually going to be a real-time plan with me of how I plan inside of my bullet journal, what's been working for me, I would say for well over a month now. So I'm going to show you guys how I started with my spreads. So when I got this planner, I jumped into November and I was pretty much cramming the week on a page like this. So I had Monday and then I split the weekend. Then I wanted more space. So then by December, I ended up doing Monday through Friday on one page. And then when you flip it, it would be the weekend. So here we are in January. How lovely. And I usually just have like a sidebar here. This sticker is so crooked. We'll ignore that. I usually have a sidebar of all the things coming up this week, any trackers. Sometimes I do like to put my trackers across the top just because I like to have daily check-offs. So like my writing sessions that I have, my workouts, I like to have those as like, because it's like my daily routine. I wouldn't say it's my morning or evening. It's whenever I get it done. It's just a daily routine. Whereas some things I don't need to like have them here. Like I don't need to have my work schedule over here. I don't need to have my bills over here. I just literally line it up and that's that. So this particular week that I am planning for, oh, one more thing. Since I decided to do the Monday through Friday on one page, and then the weekend on a page of its own pretty much, I then decided whatever happened this week, like if it was whatever I wanted to journal about, I would dedicate this page here to that. So this one in particular got a little bit more because it was the end of the football season. So it's 2 pages here, and then I'm probably going to end up putting like the playoffs or something on this page. And then here is the week of January 16th to the 22nd. I haven't exactly decided what stickers I'm going to be putting on this week. And then here's the journaling page for that. But this week, the week of January 23rd to the 29th is the anniversary of Kobe Bryant's death. The unfortunate tragedy of him passing along with his daughter and others in the helicopter. I wanted to use this basketball kit that I got from Cinderella Paper for quite some time. And it's finally time for me to use it. I was like, what better time than now? And I have this Kobe and Gigi sticker from Capital Chic Designs. So I pretty much have down to a science how I like to use my stickers. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a hack of how I set it up. So the first thing I like to do is go ahead and put down my 3 columns per page. So between these 2 pages is going to be 6 columns, and I put my date headers at the top. Everything else falls underneath it. And the trick that I like to do is to use the corners of the page where the grid begins and ends on each page as a guide to setting up the sticker placement. Then after that, directly underneath my date headers, I will go in and put full boxes. Now, not every week am I using full box stickers. Sometimes I will just go in and put in whatever my routine is. My daily routine typically consists of I am trying to work out every day and trying to get a writing session in every day. So those 2 things are staples in my spread. But having the date headers and then putting the boxes is so much easier for me than vice versa. I used to do it vice versa. I've tried it both ways, but this way I have found to be the most efficient. Now for this particular spread, there was a double full box that connected, and I decided to play around with the date headers a little bit just to have the boxes look better next to each other, because when I put the Friday on top, I didn't like how that looked. Then I have the Kobe and Gigi sticker, and I was trying to play around with the placement of this. So quick tip, when you are using larger stickers or even stickers in general in your planner and you want to focus on a weekly spread instead of having something daily, not every day you may need something daily. So what I would recommend is using a list pad and taping it in between the page, and then you can continue to add on top of the list pad. You can add sticky notes. So there's a variety of things that you can do to give yourself more space and not be confined to this 2-page weekly spread that I have as an example here. So in using larger stickers, I'm not only using full box stickers, but I'm using this larger doll sticker of Kobe and Gigi, and I can see maybe down the line I would run out of space in between Wednesday and Thursday, but again, that's where the list pad magic comes in. You make it work. Thankfully for me, I don't have a lot going on during the week, so I can kind of get away with it, but again, this may be one of those weeks where I do have to add in a list pad. And to add in the list pad, you just use some regular tape, tape that bad boy right on in the middle, and you're good to go. So looking at the rest of the stickers in this kit, I saw that I had what is called bottom washi. Now, if you're using a planner like the Happy Planner, I know Michael's had the Recollections planner, but I don't think that's like in stock anymore. So I took the bottom washi that is meant for those styles of planners, and I just used them in my sidebar. So my this week sidebar and my next week. And then I went and layered stickers on top of it. I've been really enjoying playing around with stickers more and more in my spreads lately. While I do have my typical layout down to a science and it doesn't take me very long to put it together, I do like to switch up my sidebar every now and then. I will switch up how it looks, not necessarily what's in it. So I like to put my work schedule, and I like to put the bills that I have, and any trackers that I'm not going to put on every single day, I will, such as I like putting workout every single day because that's a part of my daily routine. But something like washing dishes or charging something or necessarily recording something, I don't mind putting that on the particular day, but like mundane things like washing dishes, which I like have to remind myself to do. Yes, I'm that person. I will put that in my sidebar. I did go ahead and move that Friday header as well because I realized that I like when I'm writing across my daily routine that I like it to all line up. So again, be careful with your stickers because they can rip the page, but I really like how this spread turned out for sure. So that is it for this spread, which I really like how this turned out, and I still have space for whatever it is that I need. And I will shine some more light on this. I will be able to add in all that I need to add in. And Wednesday, Thursday is a little crowded, I'll admit, but I don't really have much going on during my week. So I'm gonna just write around it. And again, when all else fails, if I need a sticky note or a list pad, I can do that. So I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you plan with stickers or you just a pen to paper? Let's chat. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to whatever I featured in this video and other related videos. Plus, you can check out my Amazon planner favorites where you can see where I got my Stylogy from. Also, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and give this video a like so I can know that you guys want to see more content. I appreciate you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.